Welcome guys, my name is Celine Tai Te Jing. My metric number is S50225. Today I would like to talk about social distancing is better than wearing a face mask during COVID-19 pandemics. Everyone has a role to play to reduce and slow the transmission of coronavirus. Do you think social distancing is better than wearing a face mask during COVID-19 pandemics? Yes, it is. There are two good reasons why wearing a face mask can be harmful during COVID-19 pandemics. Firstly, masks actually put a person at greater risk of infection. Secondly, masks not be filtering out all of the virus. For the first point, masks actually can put a person at greater risk of infection. According to Dr. Wajid Amir, he still does not recommend people to use face masks to avoid COVID-19. He still believes wearing a face mask can actually put a person at greater risk of infection if they are careless about touching it while the hand potentially contaminated with coronavirus. And he also mentioned that the most important measure still is you should stay at home as much as possible and ensure the physical distancing from others. That is the more critical piece whether you are wearing a mask or not. This means social distancing is better than wearing a face mask for prevent the COVID-19. The next is according to Martin Marshall, chairman of Royal College of General Practitioners, say that there is no research evidence to support wearing a face mask if you are basically fit and well. If people wear masks, there is a risk they play around with it, they play with their eye more, and even you are put yourself at higher risk of picking up an infection. Second point of masks can be harmful during COVID-19 pandemics is masks not be filtering out all of the virus. According to Philip Robinson, a director of infection prevention, he said that if you want to keep yourself and your community as coronavirus free as possible, you need to keep social distancing. Face masks or any other protective measure do not replace the essential space you need to keep from others. Because COVID-19 particles are also thought to be small enough to be able to pass through the mask or get retained in the fabric. And even medical grade masks do not provide 100% of protective. According to David Frame, a founder and medical director, he said that a mask may help to reduce the transmission of the virus, but wearing a face mask does not make you completely safe. But reducing the physical contact by 75%, that individual infection risk plummet to 2.5 people. In conclusion, I hope that I have shown you clearly why social distancing is better than wearing a face mask during COVID-19 pandemics. Once again, masks actually put a person at greater risk of infection, and also masks not be filtering out all of the virus. So social distancing is better for reducing the transmission of the virus. In a nutshell, social distancing is better than wearing a face mask for prevent COVID-19. So guys, please stay at home, and stay at home. That's all from me. Thank you.